China may have quietly entered a completely new era of aerospace production. Reports now describe AI-controlled dark factories building J-20 stealth fighters almost non-stop through near 24-hour autonomous manufacturing systems, dramatically accelerating aircraft output while raising serious questions about the future balance of air power across the Pacific before 2030. But this story is not only about stealth aircraft. It is about artificial intelligence, industrial scale, and how automated factories could redefine the future of aerospace competition itself. China's newest aerospace breakthrough may not actually be a stealth aircraft at all. Instead, it could be the factory quietly building those aircraft almost non-stop. Recent reports describe AI-controlled dark factories connected to the J-20 program operating through near 24-hour autonomous production systems, dramatically increasing manufacturing speed while drawing international attention across the Pacific region. The term dark factory comes from the idea that many advanced robotic systems no longer need traditional human workspaces. Large sections of these facilities can function with minimal lighting because automated machinery handles much of the workload independently. Autonomous transport vehicles move aircraft components between production areas, while synchronized robotics systems exchange information continuously through real-time digital communication networks. According to reports linked to Chinese aerospace media, these facilities may now sustain operations for more than 21 hours daily. That level of productivity is becoming one of the most discussed aspects of the story because industrial output increasingly matters just as much as aircraft technology itself. Analysts are now examining whether China's manufacturing momentum could significantly narrow the long-term aerospace gap with the United States before 2030. One major challenge reportedly involved older industrial equipment struggling to communicate efficiently. Different systems relied on incompatible software structures, slowing coordination and reducing efficiency during complex assembly work. Engineers are said to have solved this by introducing a unified communication architecture that allowed production machinery, logistics platforms, and automated tools to share operational data instantly. This transformed separate machines into one highly coordinated manufacturing ecosystem. Reports also suggest human participation across some stages dropped sharply, although experienced technicians still oversee inspections and advanced integration tasks requiring precision judgment. The broader significance extends far beyond one aircraft program. China already introduced similar automation methods across civilian industries through companies like BYD and Xiaomi. Applying those same concepts to aerospace manufacturing demonstrates how artificial intelligence is beginning to reshape large-scale industrial capability itself. And if these systems continue expanding successfully, future aerospace competition may depend not only on innovation, but also on who can maintain advanced production at an enormous scale for the longest period of time. That question leads directly to the aircraft at the center of this story, the Chengdu J-20 stealth fighter. Over the past several years, the J-20 gradually evolved from a surprising prototype into one of the most discussed aerospace programs in the world. But what is happening now is very different from the early stages of the project. The focus is no longer just about proving China can build a stealth aircraft. It is about how quickly the entire program can expand. Open source intelligence estimates now suggest China has produced more than 300 J-20 airframes, with operational fleet numbers potentially ranging between approximately 320 and 350 aircraft by early to mid-2026. Exact figures remain difficult to independently confirm, but analysts widely agree production rates have increased dramatically compared with earlier expectations. Some reports estimate current output may range between 100 and 120 aircraft annually, which equals more than 2 stealth fighters every week. That level of production matters because it changes how experts view the long-term direction of China's aerospace industry. The J-20 is no longer being treated as a limited prestige platform. It is becoming the foundation of a much larger modernization strategy. The aircraft itself is also changing rapidly. One of the biggest developments involves the WS-15 EME engine program. For years, propulsion technology represented one of the most difficult challenges facing Chinese military aviation. Earlier engines had limited performance and efficiency compared with leading Western systems. The WS-15 appears designed to close much of that gap. Reports suggest the engine generates thrust in the 18.5-ton class while enabling sustained supercruise capability. That means the aircraft can maintain supersonic flight without heavily relying on afterburners, improving efficiency and operational flexibility during long-range missions. The engine reportedly also improves acceleration, range, and payload performance. Another fascinating development is the J-20S, a twin-seat stealth fighter variant that may reveal where future aviation is heading. Unlike traditional two-seat aircraft used mainly for training, analysts believe the J-20S could help coordinate drone systems, electronic support operations, and AI-assisted networking during complex missions. This reflects a broader transformation happening across aerospace technology. Future aircraft may function less like isolated machines and more like airborne coordination hubs connected to satellites, sensors, drones, and digital systems simultaneously. And while the world is still adjusting to the rapid expansion of the J-20 program, China appears to already be preparing for something even more ambitious. The most intriguing part of this story may actually involve aircraft that are still in development. Since late 2024, increasing attention has focused on two reported sixth-generation projects known as the J-36 and J-50. Although many details remain uncertain, the appearance of prototype images and ongoing testing activity has fueled enormous interest among aerospace analysts worldwide. The larger J-36 reportedly features a tailless flying wing configuration combined with an unusual three-engine layout. That design immediately attracted attention because it suggests priorities focused on range, endurance, and low observability. Analysts believe this aircraft could be optimized for long-distance operations, where staying difficult to detect becomes critically important. Meanwhile, the smaller J-50 appears focused on advanced networking, sensor fusion, and AI integration. Those terms may sound technical, but the core concept is surprisingly easy to understand. Future aircraft are increasingly being designed to operate inside massive interconnected information systems, where data flows continuously between satellites, drones, aircraft, and ground networks in real time. This changes the meaning of air power entirely. For decades, discussions focused mainly on speed, maneuverability, and stealth. But sixth-generation systems are shifting attention toward artificial intelligence, automation, and digital coordination on an entirely different scale. And this trend is not limited to China. The United States is also investing heavily in next-generation aerospace systems through programs connected to the Next Generation Air Dominance Initiative and the recently announced F-47 effort. However, what surprised many observers is how quickly China appears to be moving from fifth-generation expansion towards sixth-generation experimentation simultaneously. That speed matters because aerospace competition increasingly depends on industrial ecosystems rather than single technological achievements. Building one advanced aircraft is impressive. Building an entire AI-driven production system capable of evolving continuously is something much larger. This is why the dark factory concept may ultimately become the most important part of the story. The aircraft themselves are only one piece of the equation. The factories, robotic systems, AI software, logistics networks, and manufacturing infrastructure are all becoming interconnected parts of one enormous technological ecosystem. And if this model continues developing at its current pace, the next decade could redefine how the world thinks about aerospace innovation entirely. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.